Hi guys, it's Leanne here from onlinemoneydairy.blogspot.com. I'm here today to show you Paid Viewpoint. I actually checked my email just in time. This will be the first survey that I'll be getting paid a little more for, so I don't really mind if you see my answers. We'll just kind of go through this together. It's asking me, how often do you shop online? So we're going to click this, rarely 1 to 4 times a year, because it really depends. How often do you shop online for food? I do not shop online for food. How often do you buy directly from local farms? Probably 1 to 4 times a year. Where do you buy from local farms? Farmers market. Yeah, I don't call anybody. It would be farmers market. What kind of food do you buy from the local farmers? I have bought fruits and vegetables. How important is it to you to support local farmers by buying their products? Somewhat important. Actually, you know what? I should say very important. I feel it's very important because actually I grew up on a farm, and my dad actually grows gardens every year, and from the house my mom sells vegetables, so it is very important in that regard. How much on average do you spend on local farms products every month? Ooh. Well, it would definitely be less than $20. How much are you willing to pay for convenient delivery to your home? Well, if I had the choice, I'd probably say $5 to $10, because that's the standard taxi rate. How much are you willing to pay for convenient delivery to your home of local farm products of your choice in percent? We'll say 1 to 3. What type of products do you prefer? Yeah, conventional. You would need. So as my earnings were $317. You see how much they just bounced up to there. We're not going to post that and get that out of there. But you see this here, like, these surveys don't bring. Actually, I should explain TradeScore before I actually go into any further about this. I've been a member of this site for some time. I've had a very hard time actually getting earnings up with them for a simple reason. You need a high TradeScore. You get a survey nearly every day, almost every day, which brings up your TradeScore. So you can see mine's currently at 64.55. The type of survey I just did is an example of a survey. I got paid 1 cent, and it was about 10 questions. So you can see I earned 10 cents, and I got a bonus of 9 cents. So 19 cents in total. Because it was just a regular survey, my TradeScore doesn't go up. So your email, there it is. This is what it will look like when you get one. It'll kind of tell you, and it'll also tell you that you get a bonus if you come before a certain time. Now I'll give you an example of the other ones here. Here we go. This is another one. This is just going to link me to do a regular survey, which actually it's not. That's funny. So there's a link there, but it's not linking me. Well, it might be because I just did this other survey, but that's okay. So we'll close out of this. So Paid Viewpoint, I've read very good things about it. I'm not at anywhere near my payment threshold yet, but if you actually click on it, it'll tell you. See, I just need $11.64, and then I can cash out. So we'll go back to our dashboard. I really like this. It's very user-friendly, and it's all poppy and stuff. So your earnings is the screen we were just in. Year-to-date, lifetime. So by lifetime, you guys can definitely see, haven't made it very far. We go into earnings history. Same thing. So you take a look at this. I've been a member since February. It is now March, April. Wait, what are we in here? Oh, actually, this goes back. I'm sorry, I just got confused. So February. We'll click up here. February to May. So February, March, April, May. So basically 3 months to get those earnings. However, I do believe once my TradeScore is full, which you need it to be full, that's the only way you can get higher earnings, that I'll make a little more money. So that's fine, all fine and well. I'm not going to click on my demographics. It actually has personal information like your phone number, address, stuff like that. That's pretty much your update screen to update things. Trait score. As it explains here, your goal is to achieve a trait score of 9,000 or better. That will place you in the top 10% of Paid Viewpoint members. That means you will earn more for each answer. So I'm getting there, and once I do, I'll be very happy. I'll do another video actually once I get a bit further to see if the surveys are better. Friends is basically your referral section. You can invite friends, social networks, email, your referral link. They don't seem to have banners, which is a bit discouraging, so I really only have my referral link to go by, but that. Lastly is settings, which I'm not going to go into there. See, demographics has personal information in regards to birthday and stuff like that, but settings actually has your name, phone number, and other information. I just went in there and checked it actually, so there'll be a piece edited on my video because I had opened it in air, and I don't want to show that to everybody, but yeah, so far it's been an enjoyable experience on the site. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll try to answer them. Below there will be a link to sign up to Paid Viewpoint and also a link to my blog. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good night.